In this video, I'm going to talk about the latest AI picture formatting option inside Microsoft PowerPoint. For that, you first of all need to import your picture in PowerPoint, which we can do by clicking here on Insert and then by adding picture from the device. Not only you can add picture from the device, but you also can generate an image using AI. So let's click here on generate an image, put a prompt, for example, Ferrari. Now I'm going to click OK. And this way, AI can generate image for you. And in under 1 minute, we have got this picture almost ready, which you can click on add to add it in your presentation. Now let me actually delete this and let's work on this picture, which is of very low quality. So let's go here in picture format and click on edit picture. Here what you will see is brand new dialog which is powered by AI. Now here you have got the following function. For example, remove background. So if you would like to remove background, you simply click on it and it will use the power of AI to remove the background in just a single click. And there you go. You can see the background is successfully removed. If you want to undo it, here you're gonna see redo and undo option. Now let's try to scale up this image. For that, all you need to do is you need to hit upscale. And there you go. Here you can see there is significant improvement in the image, which is clearly visible, like how much improved my after image is. Now if this looks okay to you, you can click on accept, and in this way we have just made this image more crisper. Now let's also use this option which is auto enhance, which should make further improvement in this image in terms of various parameters. And there you go. Now here again we can see before and after. So if you like this auto enhance, you can keep it, else you can discard it. And I think it really have popped up the color contrast in this image. So let's click here on accept. And then here we also have got this option which is effect. So if you want, you can add these different types of effects in your image. Not only that, you also have option to add text to your image. So click on add text, and then here we can select these different style of text that will perfectly blend with your image. So in this way guys, you can use the power of AI inside Microsoft PowerPoint and can improve your picture significantly. So here we can clearly see the difference of before and after of this image. So this was the before picture and this is after we edited using Microsoft PowerPoint. Hope guys you find this video helpful and informational. Subscribe to Technoholic to see more such content, and I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.